Okay, so let's move on to class. So yesterday what we discussed,
How to
so
deploy
Tomcat and all that is clear, right?
yes sir.
Any doubt?
No sir.
Okay, Tomcat how to and all, how to install Tomcat, how to deploy window. So first come to our Jenkins server. Same thing we'll see in Ubuntu also. So yesterday we tried Windows machine only, correct? We'll see Ubuntu. So Windows, just we install the deploy to container plugin. After install deploy container plugin. So now extra we need to configure deploy to container plugin. What is Tomcat path and all? Sudo hyphen I. Plus plus. Now so systemctl status Jenkins. Systemctl status Jenkins. My Jenkins server is running. So how to open browser with the help of IP address. So with the help of IP address, ifconfig. So ifconfig means it will display ipconfig Windows, ifconfig Linux Ubuntu. Go to here, localhost, not 908080, right? IP address, colon 8080. So now it will open my Ubuntu machine. Like this. So enter most of the cases they are asking. Now you know right how to configure deploy automation and all. Now if we go to here, manage Jenkins, there is very important option security. So here security means if you observe here, now now we have one project, right? This is the one project, one job. Now I'm going to create one more job. See here, for example, dev apps, hyphen test resale job in real time. This is very important. So now I'm going to explain role based, how to configure role based and all. This is the one job. This is the one job. What happened? Saved or not? Okay. Go to here. Now I have two jobs. I'm going to create one more job. DevOps hyphen dev resale job. That's okay. Now I'm going to create so one more job. So DevOps production. DevOps hyphen production. Prod or stage. Now there is a one concept very important. So role based authorization plugin. Based on user role, we need to configure. How to configure and all we'll see. So role based authorization plugin. Role based role based strategy plugin. How it will work means now see here. First we'll understand concept. Yes. MS Paint. Okay. Now, if you come to real time, project means many people working, right? You know, right? This is a project. So many people working. So for everyone, we are giving a same role or a different role, access level,
Different.
different. So same role, they never give same role for everyone. For manager, we are giving some role. For team lead, we are giving some role. Manager means he is handling multiple projects. Developer means he is working only particular project. For testers, we are giving some role. For right? DevOps, we are giving some role. So if you observe here, this is the project. So DevOps hyphen. Here we created multiple jobs, correct? Next job,
Yes, sir.
dev job, and also stage, and also production. Just assume for developer, I need to give some role for permissions. He is the developer. For testers, I am giving some role. How to provide this and all. Now, this is the developer one user. Just assume this is the dev user. This is the test user. This is the manager user. I am the DevOps. Okay. Now, first I am going to create DevOps. First I am going to so DevOps. Now here I have four jobs. So test to dev stage. How many? We created four or three. Now I have
Three.
three jobs, four jobs. Now I'm going to create one user. Now see here, I'm going to create one more project. For example, Java hyphen dev project. I'm going to create one more project. Java hyphen. This is name just for understanding purpose. I'm giving Java underscore test project. For example, I have one project, sales project. Okay, or Salesforce create. See, CRM hyphen dev. This is one project development. Or I'm going to create one more project. New created CRM hyphen test. This is one more job. Now, if I create any user, you try to understand. This is very, very important. Now I have multiple projects, right? CRM project, dev projects, Java projects, and all. Now I'm going to create one user. See how to create user? This is the user. I'm going to create Monica user. Now I'm going to log into Monica. Already user available. I'm not going to create new user. Okay, Monica.
Yes, sir.
Now log out, login. Now what is the scenario here? Now Monica can see all projects or Monica part of only one project. See here, Monica also can see all projects. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But Monica only just assume Monica is part of only CRM project. Monica ఎక్కడ వచ్చేస్తున్నది ఓన్లీ CRM project.
Yeah.
So we want to display, we want to give access only these projects. Why I need to provide all projects access?
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
For example, Hemant. Hemant is only part of Java. Hemant is related to Java project. Hemant is related Java project. Now I have to provide access. Which project? Which jobs? Java project related jobs only. Java project related jobs only. Now, as of now, if I log into Monica user, if I log in any user, so the user should see all projects. The user can modify this one, run the job, build the job, whatever you want, you can do it. Now, real time, same Jenkins server, multiple jobs we created, multiple projects running. If I give like this, if maybe someone maybe deleted the job, someone maybe trigger the job, someone do some modification, how can track it?
Yes, sir.
This is very difficult. So this is the in real time. So this is here see only 10 jobs I created, approximately 10 jobs, but real time we can see 20, 50, 100 also. Now multiple people's working parallelly, multiple projects, multiple people. If I give everyone, so all project access, so might be they can modify something. Unfortunately, they can delete this job. Maybe they can run this job. They can do something, right? But
Yes,
how
sir.
I know who deleted, who modified, who run this job? in real time. This is handling is very difficult. So to overcome this issue, so there is a one plugin. So see here, role based authorization strategy plugin. Now one more thing we need to note it here. Now if you go here, so here developer Monica, developer, developer Monica. So for Monica, I need to give some access level. Okay, he is the developer. Okay, he can create the
Yes.
job, he can modify the job, he can run the job. I need to give. For example, Hemant, he is the tester. For Hemant, I need to give only read access. Only read access. Why I need to give other access? They are tester, right? For
Yes, sir.
manager. For example, for example, okay, Ati, sir, he is the manager. Just assume he want to give three project access. Sir. So you want to read access, write access, execution access, that is run access, full permission. I want to give full permission. Okay,
Yes.
he is handling multiple projects. For example, team lead. Team lead. He is handling only two projects. Sir. I'm giving only two projects. Why I need other project access? So admin means I need to give
All the
project access. But as of now, so if you logged in user can see all jobs. Sir. I don't want to, I don't want to give access other projects. Sir. Why I need to give other projects? So Hemant is the part of Java project. I need to show only Java related projects. Very simple, right?
yes, sir.
He is a part of only this project. He can do only this project related. These jobs he can modify, he can trigger, he can do something. Why need to other job projects? Suppose he is part of two projects. That case we can allow two projects. So, so this is very very important. So for this, so we need to go for there is a one plugin. See here. So manage Jenkins manager and create user. We need to install the role based authorization strategy plugin. Now by default Jenkins they are giving a one access level. First we'll see that is go to security. See secure Jenkins. Define who is allowed to access use the system. Got it?
Yes.
నాకు ఏ యూజరు ఏ జాబ్స్ యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి ఎలా వర్క్ కావాలో జస్ట్ వీఆర్ మెన్షనింగ్ హియర్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో హియర్ సెక్యూరిటీ సీ హియర్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద అథెంటికేషన్ డిసేబుల్ కీప్ మీ సైన్ ఇన్ సో ఇఫ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ మీన్స్ వితౌట్ లాగిన్ టు ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్ now see here secure real-time Jenkins own database but Jenkins we are using LDAP server. So every user, it is coming from LDAP. Right now we don't have in this is one central server. In real time they are maintaining LDAP server. So all users coming from this server only. So right now I am using Jenkins our own database. Jenkins itself which is maintaining our own database. So we can use it. Now if we see here logged in user can do anything. What is the meaning as of now? Logged in user. Now who logged in this user? Monica. Monica can
Mm,
do
anything.
anything. So by default, see here, for example, if I log in Hemant user, so for example, if I log into S1, so logged in user can do anything. This is the authorization as of now option, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you click on here, there is see here few more options are. So legacy mode, logged in user can do anything, matrix based security and project based matrix, so authorization strategy and all. So this is also same like role based, but they are giving also see here authorized user and anonymous user. For anonymous user, what type of level we need to provide? What level of access you need to provide? For authorization user, what level access you need to provide? So here directly we are giving so user level. User can do see here user credentials they can add it, agent they can add it, run the job. What they can do see here, build the job, cancel the job. Suppose if I select this and all, what user can do? Logged in user. That is authorized user. See this is job related. They can build the job, they can cancel the job, They can configure the job, create the job, delete job, discover, move, read, workspace and all they can give. So for run purpose, what access level you want to provide. Now whatever you want, we can select it. Got it?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the login. This is also same, but here any access, any project access, I want to only give. This is the user related. Now I want to restrict projects also, right?
Yes, sir.
So projects also I want to restrict. This is only authenticated user. For authenticated user, what permission you want to provide, we can select here. Now there is one more plugin. So matrix based also. This is also same like anonymous users, what type of access level you want to provide, and authenticated users, what type of access level you want to provide. So these are some basics only. And if we install one plugin, so we can give full permission like this, what we discussed as of now, right? So I want
Yes.
to display only particular project, and also that particular project I want to give some access level. Okay. Now I will share this document. Just follow same steps. Okay. There is a few steps we need to configure. Very, very important. Now first we need to install the users. Just assume already user is available. Got it? So now
Yes,
first
sir.
try to install. This is the plugin name. What is the plugin name? Role based
Role-based
authorization
authorization.
strategy. So you know how to install plugin. Leave it. Go to manage Jenkins and go to plugin section
Like,
and go to available plugin. Just copy and paste it. Now meantime, let me show. Go to here. Go to here. Manage Jenkins, click on configuration, click on security. Under security, if you see here, I cannot see all these options. See, role based, this option is available. No, right? As of
no,
now,
sir.
no. Now I'm going to install it. See, select this one, just install it. First, let me come to admin user. Now go to manage Jenkins. Now go to security. Now go to here. If you see here, there is one more option. What is this option? Role based
Role-based.
strategy. It is enabled. Okay. Now, what is the next step? So manage Jenkins plugin, available plugin, just install it and manage Jenkins configure global security, authenticated selector. Okay. Manage Jenkins, save it. Now you can see one or more options manage Jenkins security. Okay. That is already we see. Now how to configure? This is the create users. Now we can log in users and see the jobs as well as. So first if we see here, now I am admin user. I didn't change anything. Correct? Now just I
Yes,
am an
sir.
admin user. Now I'm going to log in Monica user. See? Now Monica also can see all jobs. Now log out. So now I'm going to see manage Jenkins. Just I'm enabling that option. That's it. Cloud security. What you need to do? Role based
Role-based.
authorization. That's it. So now log out. Now I'm trying to log in. If we click on here, now see here, it's an admin or Monica. Mm. Now see here,
Yes, sir.
I enable that option. Admin, I enable that option, but users cannot log in. Why? For users, I didn't provide any access or read or write permission. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Access denied. So no one cannot log into my Jenkins server because if I provide any access level, then only user should able to log in and user should able to see the jobs and all. Now log out, again come to admin. Interest, just we need to configure some steps. Okay. Now go to manage Jenkins. Now, how many jobs you have? So if you see here, these are the jobs. Just assume Monica is part of only CRM project. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Monica is part of CRM project. If I log into Monica, so what are the projects I need to show? CRM hyphen
CRM.
dev,
Okay.
CRM hyphen
CRM tech.
test only. So apart from this, I don't want to show all these projects, jobs. Hmm? That
Yes,
is
sir.
the target. How to do it? See here, go to manage Jenkins and go to security. Next, go to here already enabled, right? Once that
Yes, sir.
is enabled, we need to follow. See here. So select and this is install the authorization and role-based authentication. Once select a role-based, and you can see manage and assign roles under the manage plugin. Now we can see two more options. I selected it. Now see here. I selected. What is this? I selected role-based authorization. Okay. PCP agent. What they written here. So just follow first. Security authentication role-based. Once you select a role-based strategy, we can see the manage and assign roles under the manage Jenkins. Now go to here. Go to manage Jenkins. Now we can see two more options. What they mentioned like once you enable that one, once you enable that one, see here, there is one more
I
option.
understand.
Manage
Yes.
and assign roles. This option we cannot see. Suppose, see here, don't confuse. Here, I am selecting this one. Now, can I see that option?
No, sir.
No, we cannot see. We cannot see that option. See, save it. Now, go to Manage Jenkins. Go to Manage Jenkins. See here, we cannot see that option.
Yes, sir.
Now, I am going to Security. Just select role-based strategy. Save it. Now again come to here manage Jenkins. Now we can see manage users and assign roles. Now see here. So see here. This is the admin user. I am the admin user. So admin user. So what is the administrator? Correct. So
Yes, sir.
right now I didn't provide anything. Admin user. I given overall administrator. He can do anything. Now see here add to role item roles. Now we need to configure these things. Now how to configure once that is done. Next step, what we need to do. So now try to log into created user. So we'll have already be done. Next log into admin user. Go to manage wrinkles. Next global role. Global role we need to give some role. But actually in so organized level, this is the global for all employees. We can give any name. For example, I am giving one role. I am giving one role. See here. Just we can give any name. So here they given global. We can give any name. That is your wish. Project name we can
Yes.
give. But common name I am giving employee. So just add it. If I add means so for this employee, initial what role you want? Got it. I given one common role. I added one common role. This role I am going to apply users. So initial I am giving read access. What access I am giving?
Read.
Read access only. There is many see here options available. Just don't give everything. Just we give initial. See here common and give overall is read access and the remaining options That is your wish. Based on your wish, we can configure it. So currently I am giving only read access. That's it. Next, this is the role to add. Done it, right? Save. Now, here role to, here one more option. See here, role to add. Again, we need to add. So that is done. Next, item roles. Where is item roles? Here, item roles. Now click on save, assign roles, save it, apply, save. I given it. Now, item roles here, right? Item
Yes, sir.
roles. Now, role to add. For example, I am giving developer. Hmm? Okay.
Yes, sir.
For developer pattern. So in my project, CRM project, developers available, testers available, DevOps engineers available. There is many people working parallelly. So what type of pattern you want to display? Which projects you want to display? See here, pattern. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Role to add CRM admin, just for understanding. CRM developer pattern. So which projects you want to display? This is important. We need to use same CRM dot star. Only start with CRM and ends with any name. Got it? Star
Yes, sir.
represents any name.
All.
Any name, all. So but star first name starts with project name starts with CRM
CRM.
only. Next. See here. Next. Item roles, add to role, CLM. This is admin. Like this, we can add it. Now I am adding here. This is the one. This is the one. Just add it. One added. Now same way, CRM admin. So for admin also only add and CRM next tester. Tester. I want to add tester. Okay, like this we can add many roles, role item. So in my project, testers available, admin available, developers available, manager, team lead, like this we can add it, whatever. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, for developer, what type of action you want to provide? మీకు డెవలపర్కి ఏ యాక్సెస్ ఇవ్వాలి చెక్ ఇట్ హియర్ డెవలపర్స్ సో డెవలపర్ కెన్ జాబ్ లెవెల్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఓకే ఈ కెన్ బిల్డ్ ద
Yes,
జాబ్ ఈ కెన్ everything you can do build related operation and all that's it or space also so you can configure you can view just assume you can easily understand now I'm giving a run you can create build and delete okay I am not going to view access I am providing view means they can see right okay that's it for testers what type of access level you want to provide for tester I am giving only read access
yes,
and also he can read view access. He cannot delete, he cannot create, he cannot configure, he cannot do anything. So overall I am giving so only read access. Clear? View and read
yes, sir.
access. For admin, I am giving for admin, he can delete, he can whatever you want, he can do it. Like this we need to select. Just select whatever you want. Okay? Just done. Apply, save. I created two roles. I created two roles. Developer role, tester role, admin role. For developers, I given some permissions. What he can do? He can create job, everything he can do, and view access also. For testers, I given only view access. For admin, I given full permission, job related. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next. See here, that is done. Next. Assign roles. Global permission. Now create add. Now assign roles. Now go to here. I saved. Now this is done, right? Now assign roles. Roles to added. Now we need to add users. Where is users? Now assign roles. That is done. Now assign roles. Now see here. Here we need to add new users. So assign roles. This is manage roles. I added first option manage roles. Under just I created one common name for everyone. I given read access. Now added some item roles. In the item role, I created what type of roles you want to provide. Admin role and so developer role, tester roles, and I give created. And based on this user, I selected some options. Now click on assign roles. Now this is the see here admin and an employee, admin and employee, right? So now add user. So what is the user ID? Or we can use username also. So user ID. How I know my user ID? Monica user ID. I want to know. This is the Linux command, right? Go to here. Go to here. Go to here. Cat space etc. Cat space. I remove Monica. No, Monica available. Not here, right? Sorry, not here. Jenkins, right? User where is available? Jenkins, right? Where is users?
Yes, sir.
Go to here. Go to manage Jenkins. Users, users, and Monica. Edit. What is the Monica ID? ID. Monica only. I given Monica only. Now go to here. Go to manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. And go to manage. Go to security. Now we need to configure this one, right? That is already done. One part is done. We are going to second part. What is second part? Manage users. This is already done. Click on item roles. Now add users. What is the ID? Monica. Add it. Now Monica is added. Sir, for Monica, which access level you want to provide? Monica related to admin group, employee group.
Employee.
Employee. Select it. Add one more. Hemant. So Hemant also related. Admin group or employee group? Employee.
Employee.
That's it. Now, one more. Item role. Add user. Monica. Just add it. Now, Monica is part of, already we given some roles, right?
Yes, sir.
Monica related to which role? Testing role, or developer role, or admin role?
Developer.
Developer. So I am selecting Monica is developer. Now add user. Hemant. Hemant is part of, just assume testing role.
Test.
Test role. I am using test role. That's it. Apply. Save. Any doubt here? This is very
Yes.
important, but there is a initial confusion. We need to follow same steps. That is reason I given this document. Okay. So
Yes,
how
yes,
to install, how to uninstall. Now I created two users. Already I have two users. I install role-based authorization strategy plugin. Once that is done, now if we enable that option, we can see this is the extra option, manage and roles. We can see this option under the. If we click on here, first go to manage roles. Create create one new role for common for everyone. I given employee. Employee means all are employees only. So for this employees, I am going to provide some access level. So initial I given read access. Now added item roles. So see here, item roles both are related to same project only. And so in the same project, one user related developer and one user tester. Now and one user admin. Here I given three roles. What are the roles I given? Three roles. Admin role, developer role, tester role. For admin role, what type of access level you want to provide? I given full access. For developers, I given only job related and run related. For testers, I given only read access and view access. Got it? Once this is done,
Yes, sir.
now go to assign role. Now we need to assign, right? I added two users, sir. So both two users related to employee only. Okay, employee related role. Next, so one user, Amant related to test, and so Monica related to developer role are assigned user and groups. That's it. Now apply save. Try to log in whether it is working or not. So log out. Now I'm logging to Monica. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Apps. 1, 2, 3. If I log into Monica user, see here, Monica is part of which project?
CRM.
CRM. Now, Monica, see here, you can build. Monica can build the job and Monica can configure the job. Got it?
Yes,
See, if
sir.
we click on configure, so Monica can update it. Just save it. Now, whatever you want, what permission you given, based on this, you can so roll here. Now, can you see manage Jenkins and all here?
No, sir.
No, why you cannot see real time? They are providing like this only. You are not admin. Why you need to provide access to you? Full access. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now Monica cannot see remaining options. For Monica is the developer. For developer, I need to assign some role.
Yes.
Now I'm trying to log into. Now see here, Monica can configure, build the job, configure the job. I given some access level. Now I'm trying to log in. Hemant. Hemant is the tester. Hemant is the tester. For testers, what level I given?
Only read.
Only read. He cannot configure. He cannot build. See, he is the Hemant. Now, if we click on this, is there any option here?
No, sir.
No. He cannot build my project. He cannot. But just I given read access only. Just I provided read access. Just I provided read access. Now, if we configure like this real time, do we have any problem? Any conflict? ఇప్పుడు నాకు 100
No, sir.
ప్రాజెక్టులు ఉన్నాయి 100 ప్రాజెక్టులు ఉన్నా మనకని సో నో ఇష్యూ రైట్
Yes.
సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్ ఓన్లీ యు ఆర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ విచ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఐ గివన్ ఓన్లీ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ and based on your role I given some access level. Based on your role I given some access level, you can do that operations. Now you can easily track it to avoid right conflict, to avoid so multiple people working parallelly, so we can easily avoid duplication and deletion, some issues and all. So now based on your role only you can operate your job.
Yes.
If I log in admin, నేను అడ్మిన్కి ఏమి ఇచ్చినాను జస్ట్ చెక్ ఇట్ లాగిన్ admin. Now admin can say all users. I am the admin, right? I can see
Yes,
everything,
sir.
all projects. So like this, if you want to handle, we go for role-based authorization strategy plugin. Now got it, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is very, very, very important. ఇంటర్లో కూడా అడతాడు మీరు మల్టిపుల్ జాబ్స్ ఉంది మల్టిపుల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఉంది హౌ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ యాక్సెస్ టు యూజర్స్ నౌ హౌ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ యాక్సెస్ టు యూజర్స్ with the help of what is the plugin? What is the plugin? Role based authorization
Authorization.
plugin. So based on user role, if you want to provide access level for particular user, so you should go for role based authorization strategy plugin. Any doubt, Monica? Or I can create
No.
one more user.
No doubt, sir. Please.
Yeah, just try it. Huh? If not working, I will check it. But we need to follow same steps. Initial there is bit confusion. If you practice 1 or 2 times, we can easily so give access level to particular users. Hmm?
Yes.
So now got it. If I log in, I am the admin. I can see all. If you log in, you are the developer. You can see and we can part of only CRM project. I don't want to add it here.
Yes.
Okay, this is Remaining and all same only, nothing. Go to manage. So these and all no need. Remaining options, that is very simple only. If you configure role based means no need to configure this and all. This is matrix based security. This is only, so if you select this means it is showing only authorization user, right? That users what type of access level. But there we cannot add projects and all. But if you come to role based, here manage roles, assign roles. Manage roles, there is two options, right? Manage roles and assign roles. So what type of roles you want to provide and what is the item you want to add it. Clear?
Yes, sir. Please.
Now this is very, very important. Now what is the, now this is credential users. Now important one, plugin, cloud, manage rules, user rules and systems and all these are same only. System information, what is Java version we are using, everything same only. No need to worry. Even if we see, this is the logs, all Jenkins logs, what is happening, we can see. No one is asking, just we can click on, try it one by one also. Logs, this is statistics load and all. Manage world data. We'll see this is 11 Jenkins about and these are same only. Here there is one more script to prepare reload configuration from the disk. This is what happening. I will see later and manage world data. This is the see here manage world data. So scrub configuration files to remove remans from the old plugins and earlier versions. Now they are using one Jenkins version. They are using one Jenkins version. So currently which version we are using? 2.5. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Maybe that is very old project, 10 years old back, 10 years old project. Maybe they are using old Jenkins, right? 1 point something version. This
Yes.
is the current Jenkins version. We are using latest one. Suppose they are using old Jenkins. Now we are migrating to also new one. Clear? So in this
Yes, sir.
case, I want maybe some plugins deprecated. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Most of the plugins deprecated. And in this
Yes, sir.
case, see old plugins and earlier versions. So how to handle this one? So that case we need to use this manage old data. Now it is asking right now I don't have any data. See when there are changes in how data is stored on the disk and Jenkins uses the following strategy. Data is migrated to new structure. So in old version, they are maintaining that there is old plugins we are using. So they are maintaining some data. So that and all now we need to manage to new one. So that case we are getting this one. And also see here, most of the cases we are getting occurs while reading the data. In old versions, maybe they are using some plugins, they are using some configurations and all. So in that particular version, it is working. Now if we come to latest version, we cannot read maybe most of the options it won't work. So in this case so we can use this is manage old data. We anyway in real time we are maintaining backup. There is one more option also available, backup. Where is this? Reload configuration from the disk. This is different, I will show you backup. So right now we cannot see right any backup and all. So we need to install that plugin also. Go to manage Jenkins and so every day if you want to we can take a backup also. Where is that? Users plugin, installed available plugin and check such backup. Installed available plugin, back, backup. See here there is different ways we can take backup and we can use this. See backup or restore your Hudson configuration files. You want to take backup and this plugin is up for additional. We are looking for the migrate adopted. There is the first one option, thin backup. See here, backup the most important global and job specific configuration files. It will take backup. 2 months, 10 days ago. So this they release a new version and we need to install this one or we can install this one also. Only I need some where is one more backup, this one backup or restore your Hudson only configuration files. This is the 13 years ago. they released this plugin. Okay. But this is the latest plugin and we need to install thin backup. Okay. We'll see later how it will work and all. This is 2 months back only. They updated and they given. And just if we install and if we see one more plugin, one more options here. If we go to manage Jenkins, we can see one more option, backup and all. So I will show you how to take backup every day and which folder. But real time 100% we are maintaining backup. Maybe unfortunately my server goes down. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So in the Jenkins server, so just assume 50 projects running. 50 into at least take 4 jobs. 200 jobs running in my Jenkins server. Unfortunately, my Jenkins server crashed or some problem. It is down. What about my jobs? Again, we are going to create all jobs, 200 jobs. Create చేయొచ్చా? చేయొచ్చు. Again, it will
No.
take time, right?
Yes,
It
sir.
will take time. But we don't know which project, what configuration we did. మన ఏ ప్లగిన్ ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్కి ఏ ప్లగిన్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. Anyway, we are maintaining document also. But if you follow same that document also, it will take time. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 200 jobs if you want to create, how much time it will take, and also we need to check proper way. It will take, right? So that is the reason. What we will do, we will take the backup.
But
మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, బ్యాకప్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో ఇప్పుడు మనకు వాట్సాప్ ఉంది. వాట్సాప్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఎవ్రీడే మీకు అప్లోడ్ అవుతా ఉంటుంది. అప్లోడ్ ఇన్ డ్రైవ్.
yes,
కరెక్ట్? సపోజ్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ యూ చేంజ్ ద మొబైల్. You
yes, sir.
change the mobile. You need, right? So previous data.
Yes, sir.
How it will restore? మళ్ళీ మనకి ఏం చేస్తుంది అది, మన జీమెయిల్తో మన ఎక్కడ డ్రైవ్ పాత్ ఉంటుంది కదా, కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి
Yes.
అక్కడ నుండి మళ్ళీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, రీస్టోర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఆల్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, ఆల్ మై చాట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ విల్ రీస్టోర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద డ్రైవ్ ఓన్లీ. ఇఫ్ యూ సేవ్ ఎనీ కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్, ఇప్పుడు మనకి కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ సేవ్ చేసాం అనుకో, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ వేర్ యూ వాంట్ టు సేవ్, వెదర్ యూ వాంట్ టు సేవ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఆర్ వెదర్ యూ వాంట్ టు సేవ్ మొబైల్. నేను మొబైల్లో సేవ్ చేశాను. సో మన మొబైల్ లాస్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ మన కాంటాక్ట్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందా? నో.
No.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తాడు వాడు, నీకు ఎక్కడ సేవ్ చేసుకోవాలి కాంటాక్ట్, మెయిల్లోనా లోకల్లోనా, మొబైల్లో. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్ మెయిల్, నెక్స్ట్ మొబైల్, వీఆర్ కాన్ఫిగరింగ్ ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
So what it will do, everything it is restoring from the drive only, that configure email. So there is many features, right? Same way Jenkins also they are providing one more plugin, backup plugin. This is mandatory real time because some multiple projects running, right? Without backup, how they can handle this data? In some case, for example, some example, my server goes down, my server is not crashed, it is not working. We need immediately, right? One more, we need to take up, we need to make it as up, right? So that case, so that data is very useful. Disaster recovery, right? Disaster recovery.
Yes, sir.
Something, unfortunately, some natural disaster recovery. For example, heavy rains, or earthquake, maybe that particular region maybe goes down. సో అగైన్ వన్ మోర్ రీజన్ వీ నీడ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ అప్. మనకి ఇండియాలో ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది సంథింగ్, చెన్నైలో ఉన్న సర్వర్స్ అన్ని సో డౌన్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో హౌ టు యాక్సెస్ డేటా? అగైన్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ రీజన్స్, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ రీజన్ వీ గో ఫర్ నవ్ డేస్ క్లౌడ్. ప్రీవియస్ అయితే మనం ఏం చేసేవాళ్ళు, కంపెనీలో ప్రతి ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఒక సర్వర్ మెయింటైన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. ఇన్ కేస్ దట్ సర్వర్ డౌన్, automatically the entire will down only. But nowadays we are using cloud. So cloud means that there is multiple regions and everywhere we are maintaining one server. Even one region it is down, we can access our website, we can access our data from other region. There is a lot of advantages in cloud. అంటే మన లోకల్గా ఏం మెయింటైన్ చేయడం అవసరం లేదు, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దే విల్ టేక్ కేర్ అండ్ దే ఆర్ మెయింటైనింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ జోన్స్, డిఫరెంట్ రీజియన్స్. Anyway, this and all we'll see in AWS. So again, if one region down, automatically we can connected to another region, we can get data, we can work with happily. That is the advantages. So no need to maintain everything in my local, no need to maintain everything in our organization. సో చెన్నైలో మనకి ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ సైక్లోన్స్ వస్తుంది కదా మనకి, ఫ్లడ్స్.
Yes, sir.
మనకి చెన్నై
Yes, sir.
మోస్ట్లీ మనకి నవంబర్లో డిసెంబర్లో సైక్లోన్స్, దట్ ఈస్
Yes,
ఫ్లడ్స్
sir.
వస్తాయి. ఫ్లడ్స్ వస్తే ఎవరు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళం, ఆ మ్యాక్సిమం మనకి మొత్తం అంతా సో విత్ వాటర్తో కవర్ అయిపోయింటుంది. నా ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ వాటర్, సో దర్ ఈస్ నో నెట్వర్క్ ఇన్ మై చెన్నై. ఇఫ్ ఐ మెయింటైన్ ఓన్లీ చెన్నై, so how to access my in Chennai? So everything that is damaged. So we want to access our application. So how to access? We are maintaining same thing, maybe Bangalore, Hyderabad, or Delhi, Noida, something, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
immediately they are redirecting. We are redirecting to so that server. So now we can access so that particular server, but we are maintaining data backup. So they are using this backup data. They are make one more server up and they are redirecting to that URL. So the end users can access our application. There is no downtime. That is the
Yes,
even
sir.
downtime. That is very short period. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Within the short period, we can make it as one more Jenkins server and we can provide access to end users. We can give access to end users. So there is many options available. Now this is one of the security level. This is a very important security level. This is the very important. Now, so the once that is done, now I'm in admin user. Okay. Now go to manage Jenkins. We'll see that and all. This and all very simple only. No need to worry. No one is also asking. Now one is now very important topic. Pipelines. What's the time now? Okay, we'll see small things. Tomorrow we'll start pipeline, very important. Now system, some basic idea. Tools, plugins, now clouds. This is cloud. This is appearance. Nodes. Here, this is also one more important topic. Nodes. Now we have two more important topics. Master and slave. Already you know, right? Already I
Yes, sir.
discussed master and slave. Very important topic. Master and slave configuration. Most of the people they are asking. So master and slave means so main server. See, this is the for example HCL people. This is right. They are maintaining one server. So maybe this server it is running in US or client region, client zone. So we are in India, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now multiple people working in India. Now that server is running somewhere, for example, US, assume. So my Jenkins server is running US. So here many people running, working here. If you want to access this server, so here main problem is this way. For example, ఇండియాలో మాకు 200 people వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు క్లయింట్ కింద. ఈ 200 పీపుల్కి ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ యాక్సెస్ లెవెల్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ బిగ్ హెడేక్ ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్. సెక్యూరిటీ ఇష్యూ. మనమేమో ఇక్కడ ఇండియాలో ఉన్నాం, ఏషియన్, but the server is running somewhere. Now, if I provide access 200 people this Jenkins server, 200 people try to access this server, right? Maybe the server goes down. Correct? This is one more,
Yes, sir.
one drawback. Next, what is the issue? A 200 people if they are using same workspace, నాకు అదే మిషన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నారు, నా జాబ్స్ అన్ని ఇక్కడే రన్ అవుతున్నాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం? స్పేస్ ప్రాబ్లం. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ మోర్ ఇష్యూ. Correct?
Yes, sir.
One more issue. This is the main. And also the network. This is okay. Server down అయిపోతుంది, స్పేస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఉంటుంది, బట్ వీ నీడ్ నెట్వర్క్ యాక్సెస్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
We need to provide access level. This is one of the big headache in real time. ఇప్పుడు నా సర్వర్ నాకు చెన్నైలో ఉంది అనుకో, సో వీఆర్ వర్కింగ్ 50 people in Chennai. They can easily access my server. There is no restriction. We are in same zone. We are in same region. We are in same network. We are in same organization. Correct?
Yes, sir.
But so if you are maintaining this server central, ఇప్పుడు ఈ సర్వర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? దానికి జెంకిన్స్ సర్వర్ అనేది సెంటర్ లో ఉంది. మనమే ఇక్కడ వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఐ నీడ్ సపోజ్ హియర్ వీఆర్ నాట్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ఎనీ స్లేవ్ మిషన్స్. ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ట్రైంగ్ టు యాక్సెస్ దిస్ సర్వర్, ఇఫ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ట్రైంగ్ రన్ మల్టిపుల్ బిల్స్, సో స్పేస్ ఇష్యూ and also system maybe goes down, and also there is a lot of issues in real time. To avoid that, we are maintaining master and slave. So all jobs are running in master only, but that job will trigger in the slave mission. If end user they want to access, ఇప్పుడు నేను యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి, ఈ మిషన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తాను, ఈ మిషన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తానా, we can simply access my slave mission.
Yes.
But job is running, job configuration and all here only, but everything workspace, sir. In workspace I need to access, sir. So everything we can from here we can easily access, sir. So for there is no burden for my master server, my Jenkins main server. Got it? If you want
Yes,
to
sir.
configure like this, there is one more concept. We'll see next class, master and slave. Master and slave concept, very, very important. And also pipeline. So nowadays, most of the people we are writing pipeline. So as of now, we configure. We know how to deploy, how to configure, how to create jobs and all. Same thing we can do via script also. మనం ఏం చేసామో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ మనం ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు, we can implement via script.
Script.
So if you want to do like this, we go for pipeline. As of now, I did only freestyle jobs, correct? If నేను ఏం
Yes, sir.
చేశాను, every time I selected freestyle job, I didn't write any pipeline. See here, if I want to create, I selected freestyle project. Now there is one more option. See here, pipeline.
Yes, sir.
So this is also very, very important. Anyway, so tomorrow or day after tomorrow we'll start it. So now basic, you got some idea, right? How to create jobs, how to run the job, how to configure jobs, how to create users and all. Now based on this, now I'm going to start with pipeline, and I'm going to first I'm going to explain this one, master and slave, then we'll go for pipeline. We can easily understand.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next class we'll see continuation.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks everyone.